Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So I know there's been other unboxings of this, but guess what? It's new to me, so I'm unboxing it. This is the Rustler 4x4 VXL brushless. Showing 65 on the box, not sure about that one, maybe with the speed gearing 3S. Comes with the TQI transmitter, the Valenian system. The little speed chart on the side shows the pinion gear setup and the speeds that you can achieve. It's saying that it can go up to 65 mile an hour with a 2054 3S. And it looks like I'll mostly be in the fun zone. So getting into this thing. You have your Traxxas guide, you have the TQI performance radio guide, plus you have the actual Rustler guide. And you got the speed gearing with some shock clips. Inside the box you got your parts bag, instructions. And here it is, of course it has the wrapping on it. This one's really cool because it doesn't use the body pins, so you just turn the back like the X-Max. And then the whole body does lift off. Very cool. And I'll take off the plastic wrap. And here it is, guys. Man, does this thing look sweet. Really love the green paint job. I really think this looks cool. Love the wheels, really love the way they look. Really digging the tread pattern on the tires. Plastic piece like the e-Revo on top, protect your roof. And the rear spoiler with the wheelie bar. Love the wheelie bar, the way this is designed. The old design was kind of adjustable, pop out. The problem was every time you took a hard hit, this thing would just come right off. I really like the way this stance is on this. I love how low it is. I really think it looks cool. And the way the body fits on, hides the chassis tub. There's a small bumper on the front, not very big, bigger than the original on the two-wheel drive Rustler. Love that the body is clipless. Turn the latch, and everything just lifts right up and out. Getting inside of this thing, I love how Traxxas puts these little grommet things, pop them out. You can put a screwdriver in there, and you can bind your radio and receiver real easily. You don't have to worry about taking off this whole assembly. Here's a look at the ESC and the motor. Valenian 3S capable with the 3500 kV motor. Nice looking aluminum center drive shaft. This has the steel adjustable links front and back, and it's got the plastic drive shafts. Shocks are your basic Traxxas shocks, plastic bodied. Plastic shock caps, these are known to pop off, so I may have to look at upgrading these. Put a 2S pack in there just to test it out, see how everything worked. Looks good to me. Steering everything, Traxxas put in the 2075, and your belt cranks, everything else are plastic. And you got the plastic C-hubs and steering knuckles. Overall, guys, very happy with this. I think it looks great. I cannot wait to get it outside and give it a run. I think Traxxas did a real nice job with this, and from the videos I've seen on this, looks to be pretty durable. And to give you a size comparison, it's pretty on par with the Stampede, just it's a little bit lower. Wheelbase is pretty much the same. Looks like the Rustler maybe is a little bit longer, but overall not much different as far as length and width. Alright guys, so that's about it for the unboxing of the Rustler 4x4. If you liked what you saw, please click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.